Hello from Parsley Hill Spaniels. It is, what day is it? It's Wednesday. Wednesday the 16th of October. Definitely feels like October today. Bit of a grey day, bit of a wet day. Even put me wellies on. Not because it's cold, just because I don't want my toes to get wet while we're out. Do a bit of a different walk today. As you can see, although it's been raining, the driveway is really dry. That's how dry it is here with our drought at the minute. I think our drought's been going on for about 2 years now. Oh well. Oh, Swiss, he is sporting a beautiful leaf in his ear. Thank you, Gladys, for that. Cheesy's inside, eating her chew. Lucy, he's being Lucy. Just keeping my eye on Boogie, as I think she hurt her knee the other day, so I'm just watching. Is everybody getting ready for Halloween? I'm not sure whether we're going to decorate the outside or not, or whether we just put a little bit up by the gate. Halloween's really big out here, but obviously where I'm from it's not a big, hello, it's not a big thing. Although it's getting bigger. Out here they have Halloween parades and Halloween parties. It sounds like somebody's having a good bark at something. Sounds like a boogie. I did order, thank you, a new Christmas tree. I don't know what they're barking at. They're having a bark at something, aren't they? So, oops. Just trying to do things one-handed here. Oh, look at you. Wish you could help. But you can't, can you? There we are. That's what heads are for, I think. Oh, I missed. Try again. Yeah, gave up. Put the camera down. Use 2 hands. Yeah, that's definitely Boogie. I think she's barking at Cooper. As you can see, leaves are near enough all down now. Yeah, big boy. Not so much rustling, there's squelching at the minute. There we are. It's been interesting to see the different wildlife that we've had going through. There's Adelaide through there. Yeah, they're barking at Cooper. Come on, Biggie Mama! Cooper's next doors, or across the road I should say. Beautiful chocolate Labrador. He's very friendly. He came across the other day to play, but my lot didn't want to play. Never mind. Poor Cooper. I hear the squirrels around at the minute. What do you think is up there? Oh, I see something Eric liked. Never mind, off we go. Our squiz, Nutkin, has been doing some weird stuff lately. I'll show you when we get up there. I can hear one in the woods at the minute. Oh, must be Woodkin. Yeah, he's been doing some weird stuff. In preparation for that dreaded W word. Oh, here comes Lucy. There goes Lucy. So what's everyone been up to? Can't believe it's the middle of October. Just over 2 weeks and we'll be into November. Time is just going so fast. It's flying by. Oh, huge raven. Do you like ravens? Used to like the ravens at the tower. Thor could mimic people. He was a little bugger when you're walking past him first thing in the morning. Very insistent that you said hello to him, otherwise he told you where to go. Very funny though to watch. Oh, I know where you are. You're up in the big pine by the fire pit. Oh. Where are you off to? Was that a half zoom, was it? Here you go again. It's very busy today, you see. Very busy. Hey. You're all very busy today, aren't you? I'm going to have to start writing the Christmas cards out and getting them sent across seas, because everybody's post takes so long to get there. I think that's a Friday job. Now I'll post them on Monday. And everyone should have them by Christmas. He's enjoying himself up there. Or her. We've normally got 3 resident ravens and a couple of resident magpies. Haven't seen them for a few days, or heard them for that matter. The loons have gone, so we won't hear them until March next year. Here comes Edward. Told you he's being busy today. Off he goes. There's no more grass to eat, silly. The Major did put the first of the arches in. Don't know if you can see it. For our Eden project. The first one's in. Oh, that's nice. Sun's coming out. That's the silly thing about living here in Alberta, because we're landlocked. Our temperatures fluctuate greatly from day to day. Whereas if we had the sea around us, it wouldn't be such a great fluctuation. So we can go from, what's it today? I think it's something like plus 14, 15, which is still nice. You know, it's not cold or anything. And I think the lowest we're getting down to at night is 4. But we can go from that to plus 23 or minus 3, all within 24 hours. And then go back again the next day. You wouldn't think it was a school day, would you? It's all quiet. Lovely. With the exception of Lucy running. All you can hear are the birds. That peep, peep, peep is a woodpecker. Somewhere in there. Gooseberry bush is changing colours now. Going lovely red. Our lilac there, the leaves are starting to come off now and the leaves are changing. But our lilac that flowers first hasn't even bothered changing its leaves yet. It's still really dark. Yes, the teddies think they're birds and they keep eating bird seed. Don't you? Anybody think we didn't feed them? Now this is what I want to show you with Squiz, our squizzle, Nutkin. Chickadee, can you hear that one? When we refurbished the barn, on the inside, the Major found a cache of mushrooms, and that's when we found out that wild squirrels will take mushrooms and dry them and eat them during the winter. And he felt so bad that about ruining Squiz's box, that he made him a new one, or her a new one. So she can go in there and do whatever she wants. And look, right on the bird feeders, Nutkin has started to put mushrooms, dried vegetation. I don't know why. I put it up here, out of the way, and she'll come along and put it back down there, or he. And I thought it was to stop the birds from getting to the bird feeders, because Nutkin is very territorial and possessive, doesn't like to share, and she does think that all bird feeders are hers, and she really hates jays. Chickadee in there. But no, she's just doing that and I don't know why. It's a weird thing to do for a squizzle. Anyway, it was just a short meander. Hear the birds now. Chickadee's coming in. There we are. Nuthatches are up there as well. Saw the juncos back the other day as well. Chickadee. Anyway, it's just a short meander. Take Teddies with me while I took the rubbish bag down to Megatron for storing until we do a dump run. Hope you're all having a great day. Please hit the like button, and if you wish to subscribe, that would be wonderful. We'd like to have you with us. Hello to all the new subscribers. Lovely to have you with us, lovely to meet you. Please feel free to leave comments or email us. All of that is in the description, and obviously the comments are in the comment section. We will get back to you. We will answer any messages. Teddies like to have messages. Don't you? Yes, they do. So, until next time everybody, happy sniffs.